Well, I got problems with the combine. This this piece here is rusted out pretty bad. There's starting to be a hole. I put caulking on it. It'll probably be okay, but I'm gonna fix it a little better. Let's take all this rust out here too. Clean this flake paint because, yeah, you see it's almost through there. Getting through in a lot of spots. So I'll scrape this off because it's only gonna make it worse if you leave it there. Yeah, there you go. That's starting to punch through in places even. So let's clean the caulking out. Gotta do it just a shade under the width I need, which is 13 inches. There we go. Make sure it fits first. Down for the auger, I need to go up an inch, so I gotta get it right centered at 6.5. Now I gotta go an inch. Right there. Now I gotta take something a foot in diameter and center it here. Have to just point of contact is 3 inches. Point of contact is 3 inches, so it's pretty well right centered. So make a mark around it, like that. Then I'll chop this out. There we go. I got the cutout around the auger done, so it should fit. And get these loose a bit, so. Yeah, it came loose. Just so this will let it down a bit to get my tin under. See if this fits in here. Now the trick is to get this up in here. I don't know if I even can. I think it will go if need be, but I have to probably cut this a little shorter than I planned just to get it in. Yeah. I agree. Cut this. I gotta cut this better. modifying this thing to make it work, but I'm getting closer. I think I got it. Look at that. Now I gotta tighten these 3 bolts if I can. That's gonna be challenging, but I think it's doable. I don't know how well you can see that, but there we go. That's done. I don't know if you can see this or not. I'll put the other GoPro in a different angle so you can. Okay. There we go. Our first rivet. Well, my pouch is done. I'm pretty sure this will last for a few years. It's a little rough here, but it'll seal. Well, God bless you. I'll catch you at the next one. Please like and subscribe.